Morning students. So now let us start with your next poem, Forward March, written by Siri Siri. So as you can see from this picture, Siri Siri was born on 30th April 1910 and he died on 15th June 1983. So he was an Indian Telugu language poet and lyricist. And this poem was later translated. So he wrote this poem in 1950 and it was later on translated by him only. And the original title was Mahaprasthanam. Mahaprasthanam means the title originally referred to the spiritual journey undertaken by the Pandavas. Okay, so Prasthan, as we know, Prasthan means leaving a place, so Mahaprasthanam. Okay, so it is, and when the poem was translated into English, the title, it was given the title of Forward March. Okay, so Forward March means to go ahead marching. Okay, so it is basically, the poem is a call for the young people to demolish the present setup because it is based on unjust principles. Okay, so ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਪੁਕਾਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੋਇਟ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਕਿਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੁਕਾਰ ਰਹੇ ਯੰਗ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਵਿਵਸਥਾ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਰਡਰ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਹੈਗਾ, ਇਟ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਡਿਮੋਲਿਸ਼ਡ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਖਤਮ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ, ਐਂਡ ਇਨ ਇਟਸ ਪਲੇਸ a new classless society should emerge. Okay, so he was basically for a society that was classless, that was equal, that was not divided into classes, where equality was there. So he wanted that kind of society. So here so it is a very it's a poem full of energy, full of zeal. And in this poem, so he is telling the young people to march ahead, ki agge chale chalo. So now let us start reading the poem. So Forward March, now this is on page number 16. So let us start it. Forward March, the waves are rolling, the bells are tolling. So the bells are calling and the waves are rolling. The voice of another world is calling. So the voice of another world is calling us. That world will be based on equality. Another world. Clear? So that will be a different world. Another world is rolling, tolling, calling on. So another world is there and it is the waves are rolling. So basically the journey that the young people will undertake, it has been depicted in the form of a sea voyage by the poet. Okay, so ਇੱਕ ਸਮੁੰਦਰੀ ਯਾਤਰਾ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹਨੇ. The voice of another world is calling, another world is rolling, tolling, calling on. Forward march, oh onward forge, ahead let's always surge. So we should move forward. So originally this poem was meant to be sung. The rhythm is such, anyhow, just so the journey towards another world is depicted as a sea journey. Okay, so ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਿ ਲਹਿਰਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਬੁਲਾ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਔਰ ਬੈਲਸ ਹੋ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕਿ ਘੰਟੀਆਂ ਵੱਜ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਨਵੀਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਵੱਲ ਇਸ਼ਾਰਾ ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ. So the voice of another world is calling another, so that world will be very different and let's always search. We reel and roll with a song in our soul, our galloping hearts shall reach the goal, the choice is clear, the hour is near. So we reel and roll with a song in our soul. So we are moving to the beat of a song that is echoing in our souls. So we are moving ahead. So reel and roll. So reel and roll ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੀ ਕੀ ਹੈ, to move in a certain rhythm. Clear ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮਾਰਚ ਲੋਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ. So anyhow, reel is basically a dance. So ਇੱਥੇ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਕਹੋਗੇ, move. So we reel and roll with a song in our soul. Our galloping hearts shall reach the goal. Okay, so our hearts are beating fast. Okay, galloping ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਦੀ word ਹੈਗਾ, from the running of a horse. Our galloping hearts shall reach the goal. The choice is clear, the hour is near. So the choice is clear and the time is near when that change will be there. The voice of another world is dear. So the voice of another world is very dear. Okay, so this world is going to be demolished and we'll be marching to another world. Thrilled by the call of the waterfall of another world, we march onward. So we are, so it is the as if the sound of a waterfall is calling us. ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿ ਝਰਨੇ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਹੈ, ਮਧੁਰ ਆਵਾਜ਼, ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਵਾਟਰਫਾਲ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਕੀ ਖਾਸੀਅਤ ਹੈ, that it is the waterfall, the waters fall with a great force, with a great sound. The voice of another world is dear. Thrilled by the call of the waterfall of another world, we march onward. So we march onward. Our blood in floods shall drench all roads. So we will not even desist from shedding our blood when the time comes. So our blood may flood the roads. It may drench all roads. We leap the deep and sweep all shores. So we jump into the deep sea. So leap the matlab hai ki hai jump. Deep means the sea, and sweep all shores. Okay, sweep all shores means we will sweep the shores clean with our force. कि असी छा जावांगे सारे किथे, सारे किनारियां दे ऊपर. We leap the deep, we jump into the deep water and we sweep all shores, reshaping geography amain, remaking history again. So we'll reshape geography. So we have great zeal in us, we have great energy in us, and we will reshape geography, and we will even remake history. We'll write the history again. Not deserts, nor forests, nor hills, nor rivers, our forward march shall halt or reverse. So halt means stop. Reverse means to take a U-turn. Clear? So reverse का मतलब है कि वापस हो जाना. So we'll not go back. Okay, so not deserts, nor forests, nor hills, nor rivers, our forward march shall halt or reverse. So ना था कोई जड़े ਮਰੂਸਥਲ ਹੈ, ਨਾ ਹੀ ਕੋਈ ਫੋਰੈਸਟ, ਨਾ ਹਿਲਸ, ਨਾ ਰਿਵਰਸ. ਉਹ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਮਾਰਚ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਰਿਵਰਸ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ. ਮਤਲਬ ਵੀ ਵਿਲ ਨਾਟ ਟਰਨ ਬੈਕ. ਈਸਟ ਐਂਡ ਵੈਸਟ ਐਂਡ ਨਾਰਥ ਐਂਡ ਸਾਊਥ. ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਮਾਰਚ ਵਿਲ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਇਨ ਈਸਟ, in west, in north and south. So no power of the world can make us halt or can make us reverse. So we will not go back. Now eagles and lions, next dekho, eagles and lions and hounds of youth attack the turrets of humbug and hoax. So this is again on page number 17. So eagles and lions and hounds of youth attack the turrets of humbug and hoax. So the young boys will be like eagles, lions and hounds of youth. So they will be like those dogs that are trained as hounds. So hounds की जिहड़े कि शिकारी कुत्तियां दी तरह जिन्होंने train किया जाता है. Okay, so eagles and lions and hounds of youth. So the young people will be like eagles, they will be like lions and they will be like hounds. क्यों उन्होंने वो ऐदा पै जाएंगे जिहड़े कि झूठ दे ऊपर. They will attack hypocrisy, they will attack the falsehood and hypocrisy like an eagle attacks its prey, like lions attack and like the hounds. So these young men will be like eagles, lions, and hounds of youth, and they will attack the turrets of Hamburg and Hoax. Now turrets ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ towers. So ਕੀ ਕਰਨਗੇ towers ਨੂੰ attack ਕਰਨਗੇ ਕਿਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ Hamburg and Hoax. Humbug and hoax means falsehood and hoax ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੀ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ hypocrisy. The conservative, the orthodox shall go to the wall, shall come to the dock, rotten marrowed, senile, time harrowed. So ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੁਰਾਣੀ ਸੋਚ ਵਾਲੇ ਲੋਕ ਹਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ the conservative people, the orthodox people. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਕੌਣ ਹੈਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਆਰਡਰ ਨੂੰ the people who support SUPPORT, the people who support the old order, who are conservative, who are orthodox, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੁਰਾਣੀ ਸੋਚ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ shall go to the wall, they shall be ruined, they shall be destroyed, shall come to the dock. Shall come to the dock means they will be tried by the court as criminals are tried. ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਮੁਕੱਦਮਾ ਚੱਲੇਗਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜੁਰਮ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਦੇਣਾ ਪਏਗਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਕ੍ਰਾਈਮਸ ਕਬੂਲ ਕਰਨੇ ਪੈਣਗੇ. So now I make an end and will continue with it in my next lecture.